Check this out, everyone. The United Airlines 3772 777-200 carrying the Washington Commanders. It's inbound from Washington Dulles. Got a Hawker. Southwest 1037 and out from Baltimore. 737-700. American Airlines 2331 inbound from Dallas-Fort Worth. Apparently there were some tornado sirens. I didn't capture it, but they were going off for like about 5 minutes. I didn't know what happened there, so I think they were just testing the tornado sirens over at NASA Glen, so there's that. American Eagle CRJ 900 inbound from Philadelphia. Spirit Airlines A320-200 inbound for Myrtle Beach.